one of the staff here was telling a story that the big RAF roundel, that's where they went to blow up one day.
Yeah, it was, yeah. And they, ever since, they've regretted it because they've got no space. But yeah, I mean, that was